So the first thing we're going to do is take a light foundation, and I am just using this e.l.f. concealer. I never use it just because it is super drying, but what I did was just mix a little bit of face oil with it so it's not as dry. Like, I swear, you put this stuff on and in 1 second it's dry. So it's really hard to work with, but I didn't have any really light foundation, and I wanted to get my face to look more like a whitish type of green tint. Like, it doesn't really have that much of a green tint, but because I'm more tan than this foundation, it kind of does. You get what I mean? I don't know, it might not make any sense. So I'm running it down my neck as well. So also I'm just taking a little bit of that concealer again and placing it on my lower lash line. I mean, my under eyes. I don't know why I said that, but this concealer was just like a shade lighter than the one I put on my face. So of course we have to set this. Make sure that you guys do your ears. I was just staying home. I wasn't going to a cosplay event in this. So if you are not having your ears covered, unless you're using a really dense wig where your ears never show, can really throw people off. Okay, so now the eyebrows. All I'm doing is just taking a arched curve. This is so easy. I thought it was going to be a lot harder and it seems intimidating, but it's not. Just take a black eyeshadow and just curve and lengthen the front portion of your eyebrows to give yourself that mean type of arch that like Shego has. So this has been my favorite cosplay that I've done so far. But anyways, I'm taking I'll Be There For You palette, and I'm taking the color called Smelly Cat. I'm placing this all over my lids. I wanted to do something really green, so then I'm taking the color called Naked Guy and just placing this all over the crease area and smoking it out. I feel like I never really used green like this, so I thought this was a lot of fun just to play around with makeup. So then I'm taking this color called Paleontologist and just placing that over that lime green eyeshadow. Trust me, this is not that hard, and your makeup is going to look bomb, and you're going to look like the coolest Shego at the con, or the coolest Shego in your room, however you like to cosplay. So of course I'm touching up that lid and then taking Naked Guy and Paleontologist on the lower lash line to smoke it out. So once you are done applying that eyeshadow on your lower lash line, we are going to move on and we are going to take this focallure hippo color. It's just a shiny white color, so any shiny shimmering white eyeshadow you have, just place in the inner corner to make it pop. Now I am just doing a bold winged liner. So I am just using the Rimmel London Scandalized. Oh no, this is not Scandalized, but it's just their wonderink liner for that dramatic winged effect. So what I'm doing now is just taking these foam ink lashes, and they're just very flared. Use any lash style you want. It's not anything specific, but coat your top and bottom lashes very heavy because this is dramatic makeup, so you want to make sure that is nice and heavy. And place your dramatic lash on, and there are the eyes. Now I didn't want a flat face, so I just took a type of bronzy type of blush to give Shego a little bit more color. You don't want to just look completely flat. I mean, you could if you want to, but this is Shego like on glam. So I did a Kim Possible glam look, and I could not wait to do a Shego glam look. So taking Hippo again, I'm highlighting my face. You want to take a white based highlighter if you're using white makeup on your face, because it's just going to look better and fit with the skin a little more. Now this was my favorite part, the lips. I'm taking Weirdo by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is just the lip liner, and I'm just going to be lining my upper lip only and leaving the bottom lip untouched. Make sure that you have the bottom lip covered in the white makeup as well and set. So I just took the wonderink. I wouldn't recommend this. If you have a black lipstick, use that. I could not find my black lipstick, but I just used the Jeffree Star lip liner. But anyways, this is my Shego look. If you guys liked it, please subscribe. Check out my cosplay page that I had in the beginning, and I'll see you in my next transformation character look. Bye!